So, welcome everyone. This is Elsie Kerns, your overwhelmed warrior. And this morning I have an opportunity to spend some time with Dawn Tossie, who recently published a book, July 2025, available on Amazon. And she is our favorite vegan cook. So, let me share the slide, give us a chance to talk to her. Dawn, welcome. Glad you're here.
Hello. Hello. How
Yes.
are you?
Well, I never thought I would like vegan food, but then I tasted your cooking and I was so,
Well, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
yeah. So here is a great schedule that you have planned for the fall. And how about telling us a little bit about the schedule because it's really busy.
Yes, I just want to thank God for all the things that's coming my way. It's so funny because everything is kind of coming in at one time. So this is actually some of the stuff is still populating as we speak. But back in August, I went to an event by the Beauty Boost Philadelphia, and it was a really lovely event. It was actually at a gym, and so they invited me back. So that will be on Thursday evening. And
Wow.
yeah, and so on Saturday, I'm supposed to be at the Front Lawn Flea, the Wellness Wonderland, and I'm really excited about that. I'm hoping the weather holds up. And it's a couple things going on. They have yoga class. They're going to have a flea market. You can also donate clothes. And then I'll be out there with my granola and all my sweet goodies. And yeah, so I'm really excited about that. And the October the 12th is the Holistic Health and Healing Expo in Cherry Hill. So I'm really excited about that because I missed it last year. And so I get to go there this year. Are you going to be there, Elsie?
Yes, I do expect to be there. I think we're going to bring the BioWell scan, do some of that. Yeah.
Oh, oh, awesome. Awesome. Yeah, and then so in November 8th and 9th, I will be at the Great Food Expo. So come see me. And the great thing about that event, at the same time, they're going to have a women's expo in the same compound. And yeah, it's going to be really nice. So I invite everyone to come out for the Saturday or the Sunday. And then I'm really excited because my really good chef friend told me about the 15th and the 16th. It's a coffee and chocolate festival. And that's going to be really good. Usually this is the first time in New Jersey. Usually they have this in Pittsburgh and somewhere else. But this is going to be the first time it's showing in New Jersey. So excited.
Well, that would be my weakness, the chocolate festival. And I know that this is just some of the places that you're going to be at. We didn't get a chance to put up the classes that you'll be teaching, and especially cookie bake up at Middlesex College. Tell us about that.
Yes. So my cousin does a wellness group in WhatsApp. And so he connected me to Chef Pearl. So Chef Pearl is she oversees the culinary program at Middlesex College. And we met and we just hit it off. And she said, "You know what? I do not have." And I was like, "What do you not have, chef?" She said, "I do not have a vegan chef." So she invited me to come and do some classes. So October the 9th will be the vegan comfort food. And then December the 6th will be the Christmas cookie. So you know I love cookies, so
Yes.
that's right up my alley.
Well, right up mine too, because the first time I sampled your vegan chocolate chip cookies. I said, oh my God, these can't be just vegan. They're fabulous. And I can remember ordering them. You would come into some of our meetings with my little bag to take home.
Yes. Yes, I had to start off with chocolate chip because I'm a classic chocolate chip person. And once I was like, okay, this is really good. Yeah. And so I had to, share it with the world.
So the book just came out in July of this year,
Yes.
and putting a book together is not an easy task. So somehow you fitted this into all of the other places that you go and cook for and the events that you attend. So tell us more about the From Scratch to Shelf and how you fit that into your life.
I know, right? So, actually, how this all happened was I really wasn't looking to do a book. So I went to a wellness event and I had put my business card into Kathy Blier's bowl. And she reached back at me probably 2 weeks later. She said, "Hey, you won a 1 hour free coaching session." I was like, okay. So during the session, I said, you know what, one day I would like to write a book. And by the end of the coaching session, she said, I know exactly who I need to put you in contact with. And so she made a connection with me and Tara. She's the publisher of Terrified Publishing. And Tara was just, and I told her how my schedule was because I still work full time. And she was just so gracious and she hand walked me through the whole process. And we came out with this really wonderful book. And what I love about it is it's 9 recipes that's dear to me. And they're super easy and delicious. So,
Oh, I like the super easy part. And of course, we know what you put together is delicious. You put so much love into your work and into your cooking that I think that adds to the flavor for sure.
yes, 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 you taste my love.
Yeah. Well, gee, I'm so excited that we got a chance to do this short Zoom because I know that you'll be at the Beauty Boost on Thursday when we do the Divine Feminine Gathering event. And of course, I'll send you a replay. We're going to look at a couple of different things. And of course, we always end with those group healings. We have a
Hmm.
little boy, Cody, who's 2, and we're sending special prayers for him this week, and of course
Hmm.
for everybody else. So, Dawn, I'm so happy because from the very first time that I met you, really just a year ago, you
Hmm.
have just zoomed to this book and to really, really being sought after for the quality and flavor of your vegan cooking.
Oh, thank you so much, Elsie. And I tell you, when I met you, you just have a light about you that I just love. And all you do. And I said, man, when you came to our wellness event, and people are still talking about that when you came and did a presentation, and I just love you for it.
Yes, I love teaching, and it was great to meet the other people that you had there that did excellent presentations. I always learn from others and hope that others learn from me as well. So have a great October, and we'll see you at the November Divine Feminine Gathering online. And I'm sure in the meantime, we'll see you at a local event at Kelly's or one of
Yes.
the other area events that we're holding. So I want to tell everybody women are coming forward with just amazing talents. They're taking over, guys. So watch out.
Yes, absolutely.
Hey, so Dawn, thanks so much for coming on. Safe travel, and we'll see you soon. Take
Thank
care.
you, Elsie. Take care.